Hello boys, welcome back to another session of online biology video tutorials. And this session is meant for class 11th biology students, and this is for 27th July 2021. As all of us know, we have been discussing and deliberating upon chapter number 4, Animal Kingdom. In that, we were talking about the basis of animal classification based on certain characteristics that we listed, like level of organization, body symmetry, embryonic organization, body cavity, then metamerization or segmentation, and presence or absence of notochord. We have classified the animals into different phyla. And yesterday's session we discussed about two phyla, that is phylum Porifera and phylum Coelenterata. Now in this session we are going to talk about phylum Ctenophora. C is silent, okay? Ctenophora, that is sea walnuts or comb jellies. So that is the family we are going to discuss about. Now the phylum Ctenophora, the grades of organization is tissue grade. That means from cellular level the animals have improved upon. Means tissues started forming. Formation of tissues is the characteristic of this phylum. And symmetry is either biradially symmetrical, means there is a mixture of radial plus bilateral. So even though it appears like radial symmetry, to be specific, they are all biradially symmetrical, as you are able to see that. And they have two germinal layers during embryonic stage. Diploplastic means there is ectoderm and endoderm. And the animals, we can say in a sentence, biradially symmetrical, diploblastic with tissue level organization. And they are still acoelomates. They have no body cavity. There is no coelom. As you are seeing the anatomy of pleurobrachia, you can see there is no presence of coelom. It's all filled. So you got comb plates. This is another characteristic. Mouth, pharynx, gut, stomach, tentacle sheath, anal pores, apical organ, and tentacles. But look at that. There is no body cavity. So still they are acoelomates. Where do you see them? They are exclusively marine. They are sea animals and solitary and pelagic. Okay, they are alone. They don't appear in groups. And digestive system, of course there is presence of digestive canal, but then it is incomplete. As you are seeing here, mouth, pharynx, gut, stomach. See, there is a signal that digestive system, digestive tract is going to be formed. However, digestion is both intracellular as well as extracellular. Within the cell, intracellular. Outside the cell, extracellular. So digestion takes place in both the ways. And the circulatory system still absent. That's why we are placing these animals under low category. How about reproduction? Only sexual reproduction. This is a good characteristic because from asexual, the mode of reproduction has been shifted to sexual. And once it is sexual, it is an indication that there is going to be a combination of genomes. So new set of genes will be formed, and that should be paving way for varieties being formed. So variety comes only through sexual reproduction. And however, they are still hermaphrodites. As we said in our previous class, hermaphrodites are the animals that have both male as well as female sex organs within the same body of an individual. And fertilization is external, means there is no guarantee. Lot many external factors will influence the very survival of the sperm, very survival of the egg, very survival of the zygote. And development is indirect. There is formation of larvae in that. And the most important characteristic feature is, you can see there is emission of light. Look at that. We say bioluminescence. So this is the most common feature, unique feature of animals of Ctenophora. Bioluminescence is well marked. So locomotion is by 8 vertical external rows of ciliated comb plates. So here you can see the ciliated comb plates. A lot of hair-like structures are present, cilia. So the locomotion is through that. And then presence of tentacles. These tentacles also will help, will make the animal to move. So you can see the presence of comb plates, okay, in close-up. The comb plates here, teens, that's why the name of the phylum, Ctenophora. And what are the unique features? As I said just now, this is the unique feature. How nice it would have been, no, for us if we too had this radiation. Bioluminescence, maybe a lot of electricity we could have saved. So they have the ability to emit light from their body. The ability to emit light from the body is bioluminescence. So this is the unique feature of Ctenophora, as you are seeing in the pictures. And examples that you must remember: Ctenoplana, okay, you must remember this, Ctenoplana, and Pleurobrachia. These are the two common examples that you can remember under phylum Ctenophora. So to conclude, the animals under Ctenophora are bilaterally symmetrical, diploblastic animals with tissue level organization. They are commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies. The body bears 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates, as I showed you just now, with the help of that, locomotion takes place. Reproduction is sexual mode, and they are hermaphrodites or monoecious, and the power of regeneration is well marked. Here, yes, this you must remember. There are two unique features. One is the power of regeneration, and second one is the bioluminescence, which we don't have, even though we are kept under higher order among animals. So that is what we have to learn from the lower organisms. Then, to conclude, in a nutshell, tissue grade organization, radial symmetry, 2 layers, ectoderm and endoderm, no coelom, exclusively marine, solitary, pelagic, digestive system incomplete, intracellular, extracellular digestion, respiratory system is absent, circulatory system is absent, reproduction is only sexual mode, monoecious or hermaphrodite, external fertilization, development is indirect through larva, locomotion is by 8 vertical external rows of ciliated comb plates. Maybe you have to remember this 8 digit. Tentacles present, and this is very, very important. Often this question is asked in UPSC NDA as well as your NEET exam, bioluminescence. Example, you must remember 2 animals,